Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter 2-dimensional coordinate geometry. In last class we discussed the equation of lines in various form and some applications of the concept related to the equation of line. Today we are going to discuss some more concept like what? That is point of intersection of two lines. Clear? And how to check that three lines are concurrent. First concept is the point of intersection of two lines. Point of intersection of two lines. Point of intersection of two lines. The point of intersection of two lines can be obtained. What is the rule? Rule is to find the point of intersection of of two lines solve the equation of two lines. Rule is what? Solve the equation of two lines. The equation of two lines applying any method. Applying any method, either elimination method or substitution method or by cross multiplication method. Suppose that is the point of intersection of that is what? The point of intersection of two lines, that is let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 equation 1, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 equation 2. To find the point of intersection, to find the point of intersection of the above lines is, that is by cross multiplication, is what? By cross multiplication method, x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now x is equal to what? Now x is equal to that is equal to what? Equating first and last, that is x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, y is equal to what? Y is equal to equating this to second and third, equating this two. So y by, that is what? Or we can write for more detail, we can write here, what is here? For more detail, that is x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to 1 by. So similarly, y is equal to what? c1 A2 minus C2 A1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. This is the point of intersection of, so point of intersection is equal to what? Point of intersection is B1 C2 minus B2 C1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1 comma C1 A2 minus C2 A1 C1 A2 minus C2 A1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. This is the point of intersection. Clear? Now question is what? Now the question is, one question, find the equation of line passing through the point of intersection of two lines x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0, and also the point 1 comma 2, and also the point 1 comma 2. This is the question. Now given solution is given intersecting points, intersecting lines x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, equation 1, and 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, equation 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. Okay, by cross multiplication, that is what? X by B1 C2 C2 2 into 4 B1 C2 minus B2 C1, B2 means 3, C1 means minus 1, y by C1 A2, that is what? C1 A2 minus 1 into 2 minus C2 A1, 4 into 1 is equal to 1 by A1 B2, 1 into 3 minus A2 B1 minus 2 into 2. So that implies what? X by 8 plus 3, y by minus 2 minus 4, and 1 by 3 minus 4. That implies x by 11, y by minus 6, and 1 by minus 1. Now x is equal to here what? Now x is equal to taking this x by 11 equal to minus 1, that is minus 1 here. So x is equal to minus 11, and y by minus 6 is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to 6. Therefore the point of contact, the point of intersection is equal to what? Minus 11 comma 6. Now given the slope also passes through the point, as the line also, the required line also passes through the point. Given that this is the concept what? Suppose this is line 1, and this is, suppose this is line 1 and this is line 2. The line passes through the point what? This is the required line. This is the required line and passes through the point what? Any point, suppose here that is 1, 2 passes through the point. The required equation, this is to find equation of this line. To find equation of this line. So this point is obtained at minus what? Minus 11,6. So equation of required line in 2-point form. So that is required line given required line passes through the points, what? Minus 11/6, 11 minus 11,6, and another point is what? 1,2. Another point is what? 1,2. So equation of the required line. Equation of the required line is y minus y1, y minus of minus 11 is equal to, the formula is 2-point form, that is formula, 2-point formula. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Use this formula, equation of line, to find equation of. So y minus y1, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So y minus y1 divided by, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y, 2 minus what? This is, sorry, y minus y1. Y minus y1 means y minus 6 is equal to y2 means 2 minus 6 divided by x2 minus x1, minus 1 minus of minus 1 minus 11 into x minus x1, x minus of minus 11. So this will what? Y minus 6 is equal to minus 4 by, that is what? Plus 12, and this is x plus 11. So what happens here? That is y minus 6 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x plus 11. Now 3y minus 18 is equal to minus x minus 11. Now x plus 3y, and this is what? X plus 3y. Here plus minus 11. Take left side. So this will be plus 11. So minus what? Minus 7. Minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the answer of the required line. Equation of the required line. The point of intersection, you can find any method. The point of intersection you can find. Suppose you can solve any method to find the point of. This is cross multiplication method. Or you can what? Multiply it by 2, then minus, find value of x, y, then y, x. ତମେ ଏଇଟା ଯେକୌଣସି ମେଥଡ଼ରେ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିପାରିବ। ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା କ୍ରସ୍ ମଲ୍ଟିପ୍ଲିକେସନ୍ ମେଥଡ଼ରେ ସଲ୍ଭ କଲି। ଜଣେ ଚାହିଁବ ଆକୁ 2ରେ ମଲ୍ଟିପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବ, 2 ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା କ୍ୟାନସଲ୍ କରିକି ଆଣିପାରିବ, ତାପରେ x ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ କାଢ଼ିଲା ପରେ y ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ କାଢ଼ିପାରିବ। ସେମିତି ବି ମେଥଡ଼ ହେଇପାରିବ। ଓକେ, ଜଣେ ଏମିତି ଚାହିଁବ, ସପୋଜ୍ କେମିତି ଚାହିଁବ ନା x ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଆକୁ 2ରେ ମଲ୍ଟିପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବ, ତାପରେ ମାଇନସ୍ କରିବ, ସିଏ ବି ହେବ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରସେକ୍ସନ୍। ତ ସପୋଜ୍ 2x ପ୍ଲସ୍ 4y minus 2 equal to 0, 2x plus 3y and plus 4 equal to 0. এটা subtract करले कितना subtract करो, x cancel होला, ये minus y is equal to what? Minus y is equal to minus what? Plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. तो y equal to 6 आसला नहीं, y equal to 6 आसी, y equal to 6 equation 1 रे 2 रे पकड़ दियो, y equal to 6 equation कितना आसी x plus what 2y 2 into y 2 into 6 is minus 1 is equal to 0. तो x is equal to x plus 11 equal to 0 होती ना नहीं, तो x is equal to minus 11 है. तो x value minus point of intersection कितना से minus 11, 6 आसे. एनी मेथड रे सॉल्व करि परिबा पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन करिया पे. एटा मु क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कली to may solve any method. Okay, this is the procedure to find the point of intersection. Another question, suppose another question. One question, show that the area of the triangle formed by the line given by the equations x equal to 0. Suppose this is x is equal to 0 and this is suppose the line y is equal to m1x plus c1 and suppose this is c1 and this is the equation. Suppose this is o and this is a and this is b, suppose, and the equation of this line is what y is equal to m2x plus c2, m2x plus c2. Now to find the area of the triangle, the vertices are required. To find the area of the triangle, the vertices are required. Okay, the sides of the solution, the sides, the equation of the sides are given in the figure. The equation of sides of triangle OAB are shown in figure. Now to find area, the vertices are required. So to find what? To find vertex A, solve what? Vertex A. To find vertex O, suppose. To find vertex O, solve this is what? To find vertex, this is x equal to A, or you can take that is ABC. Take ABC here, A, B and C, suppose ABC. The triangle what will be what? Suppose this is ABC. So to find vertex A, solve. Vertex A is linked with this side equation is what? This side is equal to 0. So solve this side, equation of this side and equation of this side. So solve x is equal to 0 and y equal to m1x plus c1. Put x is equal to 0, that is equal to y is equal to c1. So vertex A is equal to what? 0, c1. Now to find vertex B. Now to find vertex B, solve the side, that is solve this side and this side, this side and this side. So y is equal to what? m1x plus c1 and y is equal to m2x plus c2. Now these are same left side, so we can write here y, that is what? m2x plus c2 is equal to m1x plus c1. Now m2x minus m1x is equal to what? That is c1 minus c2. Now that is m2 minus m1 into x is equal to c1 minus c2. Now x is equal to c1 minus c2 by m2 minus m1. This is x. Now value of y is equal to what? Value of y is equal to what? That is m1x into m1 into x means what? m1x means c1 minus c2 divided by m2 minus m1 plus c1. That implies what? Plus c1, which is equal to plus 1, that is what? This is equal to, now Now calculate that y is equal to what? Y is equal to m1 c1 minus m1 c2 plus c1 m2 minus m1 c1 divided by what? m2 minus m1. So m1 c1 goes cancel. Now y is equal to what? c1 m2 minus c2 m1 by m2 minus m1. So vertex B is equal to what is x value? That is c1 minus c2 divided by m2 minus m1, comma c1 m2 minus c2 m1 by m2 minus m1, m2 minus m1. Clear? So now how to find vertex C? To find vertex C, solve. For vertex C, solve x is equal to 0 and solve x is equal to 0 and y is equal to m2x plus c2. That implies y is equal to c2. So vertex C is equal to what? 0 comma c2. Now there is the three vertices of the triangle. Now vertex 1 is what? Now from the figure there is, now vertex 1 is equal to, vertex A is equal to what? Vertex A is equal to the coordinate is what? Vertex A means what? This is vertex A, 0 comma c1. Vertex B is equal to what? Vertex B is, that is vertex B. Vertex B means what? That is the point is what? Vertex B, that is c1 minus c2 divided by m2 minus m1, comma, that is what? Another point is c1 m2 minus c2 m1 divided by m2 minus m1. This is vertex B. Now vertex C, what is the vertex C? 0 comma c2. Suppose this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3, then area of the triangle is what? Then area of the triangle is what? Area of the triangle formula is what? Area of the triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into mode of x1. x1 means 0 into n number 0 plus x2. x2 means what? 0 into n number, because x1 is equal to 0. So 0 into any number, say any factor 0. So no need to write here, since one term is 0. Now c1 means what? This is x2. Now this is x1 y1 and this is x2. c1 minus c2 divided by m2 minus m1 into what? Into formula x2 is x1 into y2 minus y3. The formula is what? Half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus half of x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 determined. This is the area of the triangle. So the formula is what? y3 minus y1, c2 minus c1. Now what is x3? So 0. So 0 into n number, obviously 0. So no need to write here. Now area of the triangle is equal to what? Area of the triangle half of c1 minus c2 whole square divided by mode of m2 minus m1. Mode of m2 minus, you can put total mode, whole mode. This is the proof. Now another concept, that is how to find the condition for concurrence. Now, collinearity of three, that is what? Concurrency of three lines. Concurrence of three lines. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 equation 1. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 equation 2. a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0 equation 3. A rule to check concurrence. Rule to check concurrency. Solve any two line. That is step 1. Find the point of intersection of any two line. Step 2. Use the point of intersection. To the remaining equation. Equation of line. If it satisfies, then three lines are concurrent. Otherwise not. Or one method, that is determinant method, you can, or you can write, that is three lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus 3 equal to 0, are concurrent if a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 determinant value 0. This is the condition for that is concurrent. Or you may apply the procedure, solve the point of intersection of any two lines and then put the point of intersection of remaining equation of line. If it satisfies, then three lines are concurrent, otherwise not. Okay, one question. Prove that the lines 3x minus y plus 3 equal to 0, 2x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, 7x minus 7y minus 9 equal to 0 are concurrent. Verify that. Solution. Given lines 3x minus y plus this first method 3x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 equation 1, 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 equation 2, 7x minus 7y minus 9 is equal to 0 equation 3. Now solve equation. Now find the point of intersection of. Equation 1 and 2. So this is what? Multiply equation 1 by 3. The equation 1 into 3. So this is 9x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. Equation 2 into 1 same. Here 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now subtract subtract. So this is minus, this is plus, and this is plus. So what happens here? That is 9x minus 2x, 7x, this goes cancel, and what is this? This is equal to 15. So x is equal to what? 15 by 7. Now for y, to find value of y, let's use in equation 1. Use in equation 1. So what happens here? That is 3 into x means 15 by 7 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Clear? That is what? That is 45 by 7 plus 3. Plus 3 is equal to y. That implies what? Y is equal to 45. Y is equal to 45 plus 21 divided by 7. So that is equal to y is equal to what? Y is equal to, that is 66 by 7. So the point of contact is, what? Now the point of contact, this is what? This is 66. What? This is y value is what? That is 45 by 7 plus 3 is equal to y, and solve this. Now y equal to 60, what? Y is equal to 66 by what? 66 by, y equal to 66 by 7. So point of contact is what? Point of contact is equal to, that is point of intersection, not contact, point of intersection. Point of intersection is, that is 15 by 7, 66 by 7. Now apply this point of intersection in equation 3. Use in equation 3. So what is equation 3? 7 into x, 7x minus 7y minus 9 equal to 0. Now 7 into x means 15 by 7, minus 7 into y means 66 by 7, minus 9. So this will be what? 7 cancel, and what is here? That is 7x minus what? 15 minus this is 9. Some calculation error here, that is, this is 7x plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is what? Minus 15 by 7. So here minus 15 by 7. So this is minus what? 45 by 7 plus 3 is equal to 0, and this is minus 45 plus 21 by 7. The point of intersection is here wrong. So the point of intersection is wrong here. Solution is wrong. Calculation. So this is what? That is minus 24. This is y equal to minus 24 by 7. Now point of contact. Point of intersection. Point of intersection is, that is what? X value minus 15 by 7 comma minus 24 by 7. If the point of intersection will satisfy the third equation, that is 7x minus 7y minus 9 equal to 0. So 7 into x means what? What is the value of x? Minus 15 by 7 minus 7 into y minus 24 by 7, and this is what? Minus 9. This 7 7 cancel, here minus 15, 7 7 cancel, that is what? Plus 24 minus 9. This is equal to 9 minus 9 0. Therefore 3 points are coordinated. Therefore 3 lines are concurrent. Now another method, this is first method. Now another method is what? Second method. Now second method, that is determinant method. Verify using formula, that is A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. So this is equal to, this should be 0. Now 3 2 7 minus 1 minus 3 minus 7, 3 minus 6 minus 9. Now expand this 3 into, केमती एक्सपांड कर वेक्टर पढ़ला पढ़ाई 3 इंटू एटा कवर कर दियो केते रहला ना माइनस 3 माइनस 6 माइनस 7 माइनस 9, देन माइनस ऑफ दिस प्लस साइन, दिस माइनस ऑफ माइनस 1 एटा कवर करो 2 माइनस 6 2 माइनस 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 9 plus 3 into what? 2 minus 3 7 minus 7. Now calculate this. This is equal to 3 into 27 minus what? This is equal to what? 42 minus 27, that is 27, and this is what? Apply this 3 minus 1 3, 2 minus 3 minus 6, 7 minus 7 9. Now 3 into what is here? 27 into minus 42, because minus minus plus and minus plus plus again minus, so 21. So this is plus 1 into, this is minus 18 plus 42 plus 3 into, this is minus 14 plus what? 21 plus 21. Now calculate this. This is equal to what? This is 15. 3 into minus 15. 3 into minus 15. 3 into minus 15. Clear? 3 into minus 15, and this is what? This is 24. Clear? 40, that is 48, 42 minus 18, that is 12, 12 minus 4, and this is 24. So this is 24, and this is what? And this is 21. So this is, we can write minus 45 plus 24, and this is 21. So this is 0. Therefore what? 3 lines are concurrent. Applying this method, determinant method, we also verify. We can also verify the concurrency of 2 lines. Now one more question. So that the lines Lx plus My plus N equal to 0, Mx plus Ny plus L equal to 0, plus Nx plus Ly plus M equal to 0, concurrent if L plus M plus N equal to 0. So apply the condition. Given lines, solution, given lines Lx plus My plus N equal to 0, equation 1, Mx plus Ny plus L equal to 0, equation 2, Nx plus Ly plus M equal to 0, equation 3, concurrent. The above lines are concurrent. Above lines are concurrent. Concurrent if determinant of L, M, N, M, N, L, N, L, M is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay. L, M, N equal to 0. So expand as the method, that is what? L into here, L into what? Mn minus, cover this, Mn minus L square plus minus M into, cover this, M square minus NL, cover this, that is what? M square minus NL, M square minus what? NL plus N into, plus N into ML minus N square, N into plus N, ML minus N square, ML minus N square is equal to 0. Now this is what? LMN minus LQ minus MQ, LMN plus LMN minus NQ is equal to 0. Now taking both sides, taking L, that is what? Minus LQ minus MQ minus NQ plus 3LMN is equal to 0. That implies what? LQ plus MQ, LQ plus MQ plus NQ minus 3 LMN equal to 0. Now this is what? This is the formula for that is formula is, we can write L, that implies L plus M plus N into what? L square plus M square, M square, that is what? L square plus M square plus N square minus LM Mn minus NL equal to 0. So that implies this is equal to 0. So this cannot be 0. That implies L plus M plus N is equal to 0. Hence proof. This is the concept of the concurrence of lines. Okay. Now how to find the perpendicular distance of a point from the line. The perpendicular distance of the point from the line. Before finding the perpendicular distance between the point and line, let's discuss about now what is that is the angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Let's a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, equation 1. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, equation 2. Then angle between them is obtained using theta is equal to tan inverse a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. This is the angle formula of blue line, and this is obtained. How it is obtained? That slope of this line, proof of this. So slope of line, proof is what? Slope of line 1, slope of L1, that is the line 1, that is m1 equal to minus a1 by b1. Slope of line 2, m2 is equal to what? Minus a2 by b2. So tan theta is equal to formula mode of what? m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So tan theta is equal to angle between them between them is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. That is m2 means what? a2 by b2 and minus of this is plus 1 a1 by b1 whole divided by 1 plus this is minus in plus, so a1 by b1 into a2 by b2. So what happens here? That is tan theta is equal to here minus a2 b1 plus a1 b2 divided by here b1 b2 plus a1 a2. LCM cancel because LCM is what? b1 b2. So tan theta is equal to we can write that is mode of first write a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by that is what? a1 b2. So this is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 mode. This is the, and theta is equal to what? And theta is equal to tan inverse what? Tan inverse of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. This is the angle between what? Angle between two lines. Clear? Angle between two lines, this formula is proved. Now one question. If theta is equal to 90, suppose if theta equal to 90, case 1, tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to that is what? a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. This is the formula to find the angle between two. If theta, case 1, if theta is equal to 90 degree, that implies tan 90 is equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Tan 90 means what? Infinity. That is what? a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. So that implies what? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by is equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by infinity. We know any number by infinity is equal to 0. So this is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. This is what? Condition for this is what? The condition for perpendicular. This is condition for perpendicular. This is condition for perpendicular. Clear? Now condition for parallel. What is condition for parallel? If theta is equal to 0, if theta is equal to 0, if it case 2, if theta is equal to 0, that is what? Tan theta is equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. And theta equal to 0 means tan 0 is equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. So this is equal to 0. So 0 equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So that implies a1 b2 is equal to a2 b1. That implies a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. This is condition for what? This is condition for parallel. Condition for parallel. So write notes. The lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 is not parallel. First, not parallel. Not parallel means what? Intersecting. if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Number 2, parallel if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Number 3, coincides meaning कौन coincide गोटे लाइन अच्छी तापर गोटे लाइन coincide हम एटा कौन coincides means गोटे लाइन ऊपर लाइन रहिबो गोटे लाइन अच्छी तापर गोटे लाइन रहिबो ता कौन coincides if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Fourth, perpendicular if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. These are 4 nodes conditions. Okay, now this is the angle between two lines. One question, how to find the angle between two lines? Now find the angle between two lines. Find the angle between two lines. 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so here a is equal to a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 1, a2 is equal to 1, b2 equal to minus 2. Now theta, tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to mode of a1 b2 minus a2 b1 divided by a1 b2 plus a2 b1. So tan theta is equal to a1 b2 2 into minus 2 plus minus a2 b1 1 into 1 divided by a1 a2, sorry, this is what? This is a1 a2 plus b1 b2, a1 a2 2 into 1 plus b1 b2 1 into minus 2. So this is what? a1 b2 minus a2 b1 mode. That is theta is equal, tan theta is equal to minus 4 minus 1 divided by what? 2 minus 2. So this is minus 5 by 0. So theta is equal to what? Infinity. Tan theta is equal to infinity means what? Tan theta is equal to infinity means what? Tan 90 degree. So theta is equal to 90 degree. This is the formula, application of the formula angle between two lines. Now position of point with respect to a line. The point x1 y1, the point x1 y1 lies above the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 if a1x plus b, sorry, ax1 plus by1 plus c by b greater than 0. The points x1 y1 lies on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 if ax1 plus by1 plus c equal to 0. The points x1 y1 lies below the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 if ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by b less than 0. Now one question, write the position of the points. write the position of the points, position of the points 2 minus 3 with respect to the line, with respect to the line 3x plus 2y, 3x minus 2y, 3x, that is what, 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. First put the point, divide by b, y coefficient. First put the point and divide by the y coefficient. So 3 into 2 plus 2 into minus what, plus 2 into what, minus 3 minus 1 divide by y coefficient. Jati y coefficient divide kar 2. So this is plus 6 minus 6 cancel. So 6 minus 6 cancel. So minus 1 by 2 less than 0. Minus of less than 0. Therefore the point. Therefore 2 comma minus 3 lies below the line. Below the line 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 equal to 0. Clear? Now, the perpendicular distance of a point from the line. We will discuss the perpendicular distance of the line, perpendicular distance of the point from the line. In last class we will discuss it and some questions we will do. Okay. Thank you.